Hello and welcome to your new school year uh, here at Windermere High School. I am Mr. Fevers, and I just wanted to take a moment to introduce myself. I will be your biology teacher if you're taking AP Biology. So I will be teaching AP Biology for this school year. And as you're taking biology honors, so I will also be your biology honor teacher. I wanted to take a few minutes to let you know my qualifications for teaching this class and my experience. I've been working or teaching for OCPS for the last 19 years. Out of those 19 years, I've been teaching the last 10 years AP Biology and Biology Honors and regular biology. And I just wanted to also go a little bit over my motivation for being your teacher and hopefully fulfilling your expectations in the science classroom. My motivation, in all honesty, to for being a your biology teacher is to hopefully influence your critical thinking skills in a positive way, which is a must in order to be a good scientist with the mind and power to hopefully in future change the world. You guys know we are doing learning, virtual learning right now because of a scientific issue, viruses, which we'll talk about. It's going to be interesting this year. I'm looking forward to actually once again influence your mind in a positive scientific way. I'll see you soon. Thanks for listening.